Hello everyone, my name is Mirjan Hipolito, an expert at Traders Union and a trader with many years of experience. Today, I'd like to share my thoughts on the trading platforms offered by Deriv. When I first explored Deriv's platform options, I was pleasantly surprised by the company's thoughtful and user-focused approach. There's no overload of complicated or confusing terminals, just practical, accessible tools that easily adapt to different trading styles. For those who value power and advanced functionality, Deriv MT5 is available. A robust platform offering deep technical analysis, support for automated trading strategies, and expert advisors. All this is combined with high-speed order execution and a stable trading environment. If you prefer a simpler interface, you'll appreciate DTrader. It's intuitive, with customizable charts, one-click trading, and straightforward navigation. Everything designed for an efficient and smooth trading experience. It's an excellent solution both for beginners and for active traders who prioritize speed and simplicity. Deriv also provides innovative alternatives such as DBot, a visual bot builder that allows users to create trading bots without programming skills. Building a bot here is as simple as dragging and dropping pre-made logic blocks, making it accessible even for those with no coding background. Across all platforms, performance remains stable, execution is fast, and the mobile app ensures traders can manage their activities conveniently from anywhere. Deriv, as a globally recognized company, has successfully created a versatile ecosystem where every trader, from beginner to professional, can find a platform tailored to their needs.